Spin, get creative. Start a DIY project. Try painting. Or drawing, learn to play a musical instrument, write a story. Or poem, experiment with photography. Make a scrapbook. Learn knitting. Or crocheting, build a model. Try origami experiment. With candle making educational. Activities, read books, take. Online courses, learn. A new language, watch documentaries. Listen to educational. Podcast, solve puzzles. And brain teasers, learn about. Astronomy, join a virtual. Book club, explore. Scientific experiments, improve. Your cooking skills, physical. Activities, home workouts, yoga. And meditation, dance, gardening, cleaning. And organizing, DIY home improvement. Play with pets. Try martial arts now. You've got plenty of options to keep you entertained. A productive, guide in learning something new, enjoy. Looking to learn beginner martial arts? Look no further. Follow online tutorials to master the art form from the comfort of your own home. Whether it's practicing your moves, perfecting your kicks, or learning self-defense techniques, the internet has a wealth of resources to guide you every step of the way. Joining online fitness challenges is another great option to stay motivated and improve your skills. And if you need a break from training, there are plenty of entertainment activities to enjoy, like watching movies and TV shows, playing video games, or hosting virtual game nights with friends. Don't forget to take time for relaxation activities too, such as taking a long bath, reading magazines, or practicing meditation. Whatever you choose, have fun and stay active. Are you feeling stressed or having trouble focusing? Try using apps or following guides to relax and improve your concentration. You can also start a journal to reflect on your thoughts and experiences. And if you love books but don't have the time to read, why not listen to audiobooks instead? Create a cozy corner in your home where you can relax and unwind and watch nature videos to soothe your mind. And for some quality family time, try playing board games or card games together. You can also cook together, do craft projects, or even engage in some storytelling. Setting up a home theater night with popcorn and snacks is a great way to bond, and working on jigsaw puzzles as a group can be a fun and challenging activity. Remember to find activities that you enjoy and that keep you engaged. Don't be afraid to try something new. And most importantly, have fun. If you found these suggestions helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this video with others. Let's combat boredom together.